Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Nepal floods. Why in news? The death toll from rain-induced floods and landslides across Nepal crossed the 217 mark recently. Incessant rain has created havoc across Nepal and most deaths took place in Kathmandu, where large parts of the city were submerged. About recent Nepal floods. Nepal's capital Kathmandu was hit by days of relentless rains, including around 240 millimeters in the 24 hours, the highest daily figure recorded in more than 2 decades. The downpours swelled the Bagmati River and its tributaries, which crisscrossed the city and quickly inundated thousands of homes around the city. Scientists say that while climate change is changing the amount and timing of rainfall across Asia, the key reason for the rise in the impact of floods is the built environment, including unplanned construction, especially on floodplains, which leaves insufficient areas for water retention and drainage. What role does climate change play? South Asia is getting hotter and in recent years has seen more cyclones, but scientists are unclear on how exactly a warming planet is affecting the highly complex monsoon. A 2021 study by the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research, tracking monsoon shifts from the mid-20th century, suggested that it was becoming stronger and more erratic. Initially, aerosol pollution reflecting sunlight subdued rainfall, but from the 1980s, the warming effects of greenhouse gases began to drive stronger and more volatile rainy seasons. The Indian government's first ever climate change assessment, released in 2020, said that overall monsoon precipitation fell by around 6% from 1951 to 2015. With continued warming and lower aerosol emissions, it projected more rain and greater variability by the end of this century. About Bagmati River. It is a river in south-central Nepal and northern Bihar state, India. It is considered holy by both Hindus and Buddhists. It originates from the Bagdwar area in the Shivapuri Hills located in the northwestern part of Kathmandu Valley, central Nepal at an elevation of around 2,690 meters above sea level. It is fed by springs and monsoon rainfall and a number of tributaries as it flows down from the Kathmandu Valley floor and passes through the valley at Chovar. It flows southward through the Shivalik Range, the southernmost range of the Himalayas. It continues across the plains of Terai into Bihar and then flows southeastward to enter the Budhi Gandak River after a course of 225 miles, that is 360 kilometers. The basin transects 3 distinct latitudinal physiographic zones, mountain, Shivalik and Terai of the Nepal Himalayas. The Pashupatinath temple, located on the river's edge, is another famous Hindu pilgrimage site dedicated to Shiva. Vishnumati River, Dobikhola River and Manohara River are tributaries of the Bagmati River. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Bagmati River. It originates from the Bagdawar area in the Shivapuri Hills located in the northwestern part of Kathmandu Valley. The Pashupatinath temple located near the Bagmati River. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.